welcome to another episode. Today is part 6 of our Cera the Bearded Dragon. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So much like last video, the aim of today's video is mostly going to be just adding smaller and smaller details. So today we are going to be using the exact same palette that we used the last time, which is our Mars Black, Titanium White, Yellow Ochre, Raw Umber, Burnt Sienna, Cadmium Yellow, and Cadmium Red. Today we are also going to really be focusing on building up some depth. So we need to get out our gel medium and mix in some Mars Black. This will help build up some shadows and some shaded areas everywhere, all over this piece. And this really brings out that depth. I cannot understate how much this really kind of manipulates the depth of the colors and builds up some tremendous depth. And once this is done and dries, we go over the top of it with even some more smaller details, and it just really makes the color vibrant and really bright. for today's video, and if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This bearded dragon is just coming out fantastic. These colors are bright and vibrant. Tune in the next episode. We're actually going to hit up some of this background again. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video and take a visit to my website, and I will see you in the next episode.